My stepfather, Ashley Iron, seeing, drugs me and rape me for 3 days straight, unconscious. Me never re-victimize no little girl because Marita Stevens raped me. The first person me call when me break up with Rebel was Babsy Grange. And all she asked me is if the dread did a beat me and they have shelter and women's center where me can go. Me Queen Ifrica, Babsy Grange want come because them want every Jamaican woman to head to Battered Woman Center.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me get hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot at close. We say she ain't fit that. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up, my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better road. Listen to me.
Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, Lion and Lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Yes, man, brand new week, 28th of August. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Yeah, man. So, coming up in this episode, Queen Ifrica breaks silence again, and she talk about Babsy Grange not giving her the support. She talk about, why she getting a fight in the system, and she also calls a woman name and a man name who also rape her, including her father. You see me? But before we get into that, I'm going to hear what go on. We're going to please, I'm asking you please to check out my single. Yeah, the video you want to see a display. Who feels it knows? Zane, and you can leave a comment and show some support. So I say, yeah, man, but anyway, here where Queen Ifrica say, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. You know what I mean? I feel her pain and I understand why she's getting a fight. But let me know what you think. Zanze, yeah, man, big up.
So when you see me, you don't have to hear me or nothing. You can just know, say, yeah, man, a queen that she got through enough. But she keep up her head in the sky. I love my country, I love my culture. I mean, I believe, I will never believe. Say every Jamaican was a slave. Every Jamaican was not a slave. And every Jamaican did not leave Africa as a slave. The majority of black people down here, we are suffer because of the free people where we be and who we be and the kind of people where we no matter what we do it. We no can't make we dead, we no can't make we give up God, we no can't make we walk away from God. That's why we no go into the church them and take away the church them from we, because of the church them we used to turn to when we never have nowhere to turn. So we no take a church. And when we go in a Rasta house and think say Rasta house was the place of safety. My stepfather raped me 3 days. My stepfather, Ashley Iron, seeing, drugs me and rape me for 3 days straight, unconscious. Are we going to still sit down here in this country and hear story after story after story after story about the many dark and dirty things that happen on this island and continue to turn a blind eye same way? None of the women organization them never, because of how me want to engage, to say this thing must be solution based. If we are going to say we are going to advocate for children, we must make sure say when we finish, them little mind and them little heart supposed to have fixed for true. Seeing them things are supposed to real. Nadine Spence them, Dan Harris them take me and them turn me in a CDA ambassador, and because them say me serious with it and not just clout me and look off fight, all of them pull back because me did willing to expose some of the perverts them were plagued with children them. When we was supposed to sign to the United Nations, to UNICEF as an ambassador, a brother from out of Jamaica aid support call the UNICEF and tell them say they must not let me be an ambassador because me homophobic Jamaica. Archibald Garden and Milton Walker You two guys are responsible for putting out a fake news around my name, say my visa taken away. Because I go to the Grand Gala and say no homosexuality in my country and we must leave ganja alone. And this is why my career is the way it is. I never bow because I did it. It was not something that happened as an accident. I did it. So I was willing to take and pay the price. Me did willing to pay the price because I know where that going to happen when I go to Grand Gala. I know what that going to happen when I go to Grand Gala and say what I say. And if you don't notice, everything when I say, it cost me. As me open my mouth and you see, as long as me quiet, everything alright. As me get up, me see Nicki Minaj over there, so I give this little dirty pervert man where police supposed to go investigate. Seeing, she picked that out of my country to come and associate with. And uno still depend here, so I come talk about Queen Ifrica love drama and love mix up. Well, when time me walk away, uno can know say I know because me did afraid. Or because me fed up, or because me give up, uno I go just know say, uno nah get me soul here. And if uno say the people them no want hear me, and the people them nah defend me, well, I saw then. Some we just love everything and just go all a vibe in my privacy. Because me have a privacy. But everywhere me go, people say, Queen, don't stop what you're doing, we need you, we hear you, we are listening, So you, the people, have to go show me now, say, you not hear me, you not listen to me, because this thing is a thing where, you see, those of us who invested with our heart, it rough we, because of our heart, we are invest. We are take ourselves out of the picture, and I say it worth it to help someone who can't help themselves. But me also a flesh and blood, you know what I mean? So this is some of the reasons why I'm the way I am, I believe, say, no matter what happens to you, if you fight for yourself, Jamaica. Fight for the eye themselves, fight for your family them. We mothers them, women like myself who carry some terrible pain. Start fight for yourself. And this is why I'm always saying, I'm going to show the eye them some ways how you can fight for yourself. One of the best ways to fight for yourself is your health, your meditation. Check how you meditate, you see me? Check how your sittings, Don't be revengeful. Don't harbor hate in your heart, you see me? Love through it all. Just love through it all. Forgive them, for they know not what they have done. So that the Almighty can forgive you and bless you. That's why I am blessed. I am blessed by the Almighty Creator because I did not become a vulture because of the things that happened to me. I never re-victimized no little girl because Marita Stevens raped me. I never re-victimized. I never bring no lesbian argument. I never feel to turn no lesbian. I never feel to go join no lesbian gang because somebody raped me and I go just turn lesbian. Me said, no, you don't have to be no lesbian because somebody rape you. You don't have to be no homosexual because somebody rape you. You can fight for yourself, man. You can turn to the God in you and bawl. I always say, me nah Lego God foot until he hear me. And him hear me. That's why I can't be like everybody else and just get up and put out song, cause me see the pain of the people, me identify with the pain of the people, me are a part of the pain of where the people I feel. The first person me call when me break up with Rebel was Babsy Grange. The first person me call when me break up with Rebel was Babsy Grange. Because Babsy Grange is the woman who is in charge of women affairs, gender affairs. And all she asks me is if the dread did a beat me and they have shelter and women's center where me can go. Me Queen Ifrica. Babsy Grange want come because them want every Jamaican woman to head to battered woman center and single mother center. Babsy Grange never called me back one day yet and say, oh you do, Queen? You alright? How you manage? The women of Jamaica is the reason why Jamaica is the way it is. The women of Jamaica is the reason why Jamaica is the way it is. Them use the women of Jamaica against Jamaica. Them use the women of Jamaica against Jamaicans. So it's bare dark woman them having at the high places them. That's why we children can't get no help. Because if these women are going to be the ones to go and call these people and bring them to book and say, what are you doing? Where are the strong women in Jamaica? With all our we are going with children them. Where are the strong women in Jamaica to stand up and say, Eda chop off after Eda chop off after Eda chop off. And no woman group all know. A woman then use. You have some dirty lesbian woman in a Jamaica in a high places. With dark. And I go and call out them bumbleclad.
That's the end of the vlog, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Queen Ifrica shares a lot, and you know, she says she promised to expose high people in high places, and she start talk. She start already there by exposing her father. Who's next? A lot of people go there afraid. I like them putting a big up on themselves. I'm out. Bye.